How do you check air fuel ratio? Have you ever wondered how to ensure your motorcycle is running at its best? One key factor is the air-fuel ratio. This ratio is the balance of air and fuel in the combustion process, and it plays a huge role in engine performance and efficiency. So, how do you check it? Let's break it down step by step. First, it's important to know that the ideal air-fuel ratio for gasoline engines is about 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel by weight. If your ratio is lower, say around 13 to 1, that means you have a richer mixture, which means more fuel. On the other hand, a higher ratio indicates a leaner mixture, meaning more air. To check the air-fuel ratio, you will need an exhaust gas analyzer or an air-fuel ratio meter. This tool measures the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. You will place an oxygen sensor in the exhaust stream, ideally before the catalytic converter. This sensor detects the oxygen levels and helps calculate the air-fuel ratio. Before you start measuring, make sure to warm up your motorcycle engine to its normal operating temperature. Keep the motorcycle in a stable idle or a specific throttle position based on your testing needs. If you have a carbureted motorcycle, ensure the carburetor is clean and properly adjusted. Now you can measure the air-fuel ratio. Insert the probe of the air-fuel ratio meter into the exhaust pipe. While the engine is running, observe the readings on the meter at idle and various throttle positions. For more detailed tuning, consider using a dynamometer to run the motorcycle at different revolutions per minute and throttle settings, recording the air-fuel ratio at each point. Once you have your readings, analyze them. An air-fuel ratio close to 14.7 to 1 at idle is ideal for smooth running and lower emissions. During acceleration, a richer mixture around 13.0 to 13.4 to 1 is common for better power. If your air-fuel ratio is too rich, below 14.7, the engine may run inefficiently and produce excess emissions. Conversely, if it is too lean, above 14.7, the engine may hesitate, overheat, or even suffer damage. If adjustments are needed, for carbureted motorcycles, you can adjust the air screw or fuel jets to achieve the desired air-fuel ratio. For fuel-injected motorcycles, adjustments are typically made through the engine control unit tuning or fuel maps, which may requiring specialized software or a dynamometer for tuning. After making any changes, it is essential to retest the air-fuel ratio to ensure it falls within the optimal range. If your motorcycle has an engine control unit with diagnostic capabilities, monitor the oxygen sensor, voltage, and fuel trim values. Keep in mind that at low revolutions per minute, tailpipe measurements may not be as accurate due to insufficient exhaust flow. Using a wideband oxygen sensor can provide more precise data for tuning. A dynamometer can help map the air-fuel ratio across the entire operating range of your motorcycle for optimal performance. Checking the air-fuel ratio is a vital part of motorcycle maintenance and repair. By understanding how to measure and adjust it, you can ensure your motorcycle runs efficiently and performs at its best.